right now, let's take a look at the big eye. See those flags blowing in the wind? We are talking about 7-8 mile per hour winds right now. In other parts of our state, though, if we see more severe weather, they could be seeing damaging winds along with hail as well as severe rain as well. So let's first take a look at temperatures across our state. It's already starting to warm up. Southeastern portion of our state, 70 degrees over here in Roswell. Northwestern portion, 67 over there in Farmington, and those temps, of course, going way up later on this afternoon with your forecast highs right here in the metro hitting 93 degrees in Farmington, where it's 67 right now, going up to 98 degrees. So let's talk about those severe thunderstorms that are moving across our state. We've got some scattered showers expected later on this afternoon, starting at 2 o'clock, about 2 o'clock this afternoon. You start to see some of it just creep in. So if you live in Taos or Santa Fe, you're going to start to see some of those scattered showers moving in this afternoon. Depending on where you live, things could get, like I said, even more severe. So just here west of Carlsbad, you can see that little bit of yellow. We're expecting a little bit more severe weather for that area as well. Southwestern portion of our state, if you live near Silver City, there are storms moving through, and then it continues to move and shift out of the way. Sunday morning, clearer skies, and then once Sunday afternoon hits, that's what we're seeing right here. Again, northern portion, if you live in Santa Fe, Taos, you start to see some of that. Tucumcari, possibility of some severe weather tomorrow afternoon as well. Southwestern portion, Silver City, again, those scattered showers continuing to move and shift, and in certain areas, the possibility of some severe damaging winds just northeast of Las Cruces. You can see this area, possibility of seeing some of that severe weather that we're talking about. So let's go to the southeastern portion of our state. Fort Sumner, high of 92, low of 64 degrees. Here is your 7-day forecast in Roswell. Again, seeing those thunderstorms this weekend. Things do slightly dry up during your work week, and along with it, you can see those temps going up a little more as well before dropping back down as more of that weather starts to move in. The southwestern portion of our state, Deming, a high of 96, low of 68 degrees. Let's fly on over to the northwestern portion. Farmington, we saw that high of 98 and a low of 65 overnight. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast in Farmington, we are expecting some showers still tomorrow as well, and then things dry up for a little bit before those storms move back in later on during your work week. Northeastern portion of our state, Clayton, high of 87, low of 59 degrees. Let's go on over to the Santa Fe area, high of 86, low of 60 degrees. Here is your 7-day forecast in Santa Fe. We are expecting a lot of moisture moving across Santa Fe this weekend and even during your work week, with more severe weather expected later on towards the end of the week. Your East Mountains to Harris, high of 89, low of 60 degrees. Here is your 7-day forecast in the Albuquerque metro area, seeing those highs at 95 and 94 over there in Bosque Farms. Now Corrales, high of 96, low of 62. Heights, high of 93. We are seeing those highs all over 90. And here is your 7-day forecast in Albuquerque. Here's your full look with a rainy weekend with scattered showers ahead, especially in the afternoon. Things drying up just slightly before all those storms come moving back in again.